Filipino food is killing us and we don't even realize it. Growing up in a Filipino household, food was our love language. But now, we need to rethink what love really means. I get it. Crispy pata is life. But do we really know what it's doing to our bodies? Heart disease, stroke, and kidney failure all linked to the way we eat. Over 4.5 million Filipinos have diabetes, and that number is rising fast. Now, imagine a world where we can eat all our favorite dishes without the guilt. What if I told you it's possible?
Hazel Calawod, an Australian licensed occupational therapist, brings over a decade of expertise in brain rehabilitation, mental health, cognitive behavioral therapy, nutrition, and apex physical fitness. Hazel is the only Filipino in the world who is a Harvard-certified human factors specialist, an MIT data scientist, and sports therapist who coached an athlete to multiple Olympic gold medals, having driven Carlos Yulo to achieve his peak potential.
Before we begin, I would like to thank those who have subscribed to our channel. We super appreciate you. And on that note, we noticed 98% of our viewers are not actually subscribed yet, and we are trying to bring that number down to 75%. We're a new channel, and we guarantee you that we're in this for the long term. It would be a huge help to us if you click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. As the bigger we grow, the more we'll be able to give you high-quality content from some of the best and strongest people in the most fascinating fields. Thank you, and we're deeply grateful. Magandang araw, everyone. Coach Hazel here, and today we're diving deep into something very close to our hearts, literally and figuratively. We're going to talk about how to make our beloved Filipino cuisine healthier without losing any of that sarap that we all know and love. You know what? Let's start with a story that might sound familiar. Growing up in a typical Filipino household, what's our love language? Food, diba? When Lola visits, she brings pancit for our long life. During fiestas, the table is loaded with lechon, crispy pata, and every imaginable ulam. When we're sick, Mom makes chicken tinola. Food isn't just nutrition for us. It's how we show love, how we celebrate, how we care for each other. But here's the thing. This beautiful culture of food and love has a flip side. First, let's give you the statistics. The Philippines has one of the highest rates of diabetes in Southeast Asia. In fact, according to the International Diabetes Federation, over 4.5 million Filipinos are currently living with diabetes, even much more as of this writing when you check out our graph. But why is diabetes such a big problem? Well, diabetes can lead to a number of serious health complications, including heart disease, stroke, kidney failure, blindness, and even amputation. These complications can significantly reduce a person's quality of life and life expectancy. Imagine a life where every step is a struggle. Nerve damage caused by diabetes can lead to numbness and pain in the feet, making it difficult to walk or even stand for long periods. The simplest tasks become a challenge. Eye damage from diabetes can lead to blurred vision, difficulty seeing in low light, and even blindness. The fear of the unknown looms large. Kidney damage from diabetes can lead to kidney failure, requiring dialysis or even a kidney transplant. And the joy of eating is replaced by worry. Heart disease, a common complication of diabetes, can lead to chest pain, shortness of breath, and even heart attack. The rising diabetes rates in the Philippines aren't just numbers. They're actually our titos and titas, our parents, maybe even some of us. But don't worry, I'm not here to tell you to give up your favorite Filipino dishes. Instead, let's learn how to make them healthier while keeping all the flavors we grew up with. Let's start with breakfast. Almusal, the most important meal of the day. Instead of the usual silog meals drowning in oil, let's try some creative twists. 1 tapsilog, Use lean beef, air fry, or grill it and serve with brown rice and lots of fresh tomatoes. Craving tocino? Make your own using lean pork and natural ingredients instead of using the commercial ones full of preservatives. Love daing na bangos? Keep it, but pair it with quinoa or red rice and steamed kamote tops. And here's the game changer. Did you know you can make garlic rice using half the usual oil and it's still masarap? The secret is toasting the garlic first before adding the rice. You still get that amazing aroma and flavor, but with less calories. Now, let's talk about lunch and dinner. This is where our creativity really shines. Take our beloved adobo. Instead of pork, why not try chicken breast or tofu? The same marinade, the same amazing taste, but healthier. And here's a pro tip. Let your adobo sit overnight in the ref. The flavors deepen and you won't need as much soy sauce the next day. There's actually an actual study on this. Have a look. Let's look at some classic Filipino vegetables that are super healthy but often overlooked. Malunggay, the miracle vegetable, added to tinola, munggo, or even malunggay pandesal. Ampalaya. Yes, I know it's bitter, but it's amazing for controlling blood sugar. Try it with eggs or in a gising-gising. Gabi leaves, perfect for sinigang and packed with nutrients. Alubati, this underrated leafy green is perfect for soups and stir fries. You know what's funny? Our ancestors actually had it right all along. Traditional Filipino cooking used lots of vegetables, fish, and minimal processing. Somewhere along the way, though, we started preferring processed foods and forgotten our roots. I think it's time to go back to basics, but with a modern health-conscious twist. Now, let's talk about cooking methods. Instead of always frying, yes, I know, crispy pata is life, try these techniques. Steam your fish wrapped in banana leaves for added flavor. Grill your meats to let the fat drip away. Use the air fryer for that crispy texture without all the oil. Try slow cooking tough meat cuts to make them tender without added fat. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Rice. As Filipinos, rice is life. But did you know that we can make better choices here too? Try mixing white rice with brown rice. You can start with 25% brown rice and gradually increase. Adding corn, kamote, or quinoa to your rice, or using cauliflower rice for some meats. Controlling portions using the saucer method instead of the rice bowl. The glycemic index measures how quickly a food raises blood sugar levels on a scale of 0 to 100. Higher values indicate a faster spike in blood sugar. You can easily see the amount of damage white rice can do to you. Now, let's talk about merienda.
Magme-merienda tayo!
Our beloved snack times. Instead of sweet bread or oily empanada, why not try kamote Q using purple kamote because it's higher in antioxidants. Banana Q made in the air fryer. Fresh lumpia loaded with vegetables. Binatog with minimal butter and sugar. Here's something we need to discuss. Our drinking habits. Soda, sweetened tea, and artificial fruit juices are everywhere. But did you know that one glass of soda has more sugar than our body needs in a day? How about you try these instead? Calamansi juice with honey, fresh buko juice, salabat or ginger tea for better digestion, or plain water infused with local fruits. Remember, healthy eating doesn't mean boring eating. It's about making smart choices and finding balance. You can still enjoy lechon during Christmas or halo-halo during summer. The key is moderation and making healthier choices in your day-to-day meals. So before I end this video, I want you to think about this. Our food choices today affect not just our health, but our family's future. When we choose healthier options, we're not just taking care of ourselves, we're teaching our children better habits. We're honoring our bodies, and we're ensuring we'll be around longer for our loved ones. So, mga kaibigan, are you ready to start this healthy eating journey this 2025? Remember, small changes lead to big results. Start with one healthy swap this week. Maybe it's choosing brown rice once a day or adding more vegetables to your sinigang. Whatever it is, know that you're taking a step toward better health while still enjoying our amazing Filipino cuisine. This is Coach Hazel reminding you that healthy eating can be masarap and malinamnam. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living a healthier Filipino lifestyle. Paalam and see you in our next video.